Hey everyone, welcome back. In the first video, we talked about a cold email automation that we are going to build using n8n, Gmail and Google Sheets. Now in this video, we are not going to build the n8n workflow yet. Before touching the n8n, we need to properly plan the whole automation. This step is very important. If the logic is not correct, the workflow will become messy very quickly. So in this video, I'll create the flowchart of the whole automation and I'll try to explain how each part connects together. We'll also set up the Google Sheets structure, including the exact columns we need. By the end of this video, you will have a clear blueprint of the automation before we start building it inside n8n. So let's start by mapping out the full flow. Okay, so this is the first flow. This is the flow of how we will send the emails. So what will happen is a scheduled trigger will be placed, and after that trigger, we will fetch the data from the Google Sheet. Once the data is fetched, like it will be in form of like their names, location, or industry, or like this kind of data. Then we are going to start sending the emails, and once the email is sent, we are going to update the sequence. Like when you are doing cold emailing, you don't have to just email once. Like there are like tons of follow-up sequences as well. This will update the email sequence, like this email it has particularly been sent, or like which stage it is on, like it's on follow-up 1, 2, 3, XYZ. Then we will have email trigger. Basically how it will act is like whenever you receive an email, it will trigger itself and identify that the email you received is whether from like the person whom you sent the emails earlier for the cold emailing follow-ups or sequence, or it's just a random other email. So if the email is from the cold emailing sequence, then it will see like from which sequence it came, like whether the reply was got from the first email or follow-up 1, follow-up 2, or XYZ. It will identify that particular sequence and it will remove that particular email from the sequence, and it will then just end. So this is the whole plan of the automation. Now let's come to the Google Sheet structure. So the structure will be very simple. So basically you just need to make a XYZ email, right? Then you just need to make 6 columns. First column will be email, then second column will be first name, last name, then business name, industry, location. These will be used for creating a personalized email while like maintaining the static structure of the email. And then you just need to fulfill the values, like you will have a data and you can just copy paste it. Similarly, same column sequence in the next sheets, follow-up 1, follow-up 2, or no reply. For this particular automation, we will be testing for 2 follow-ups. You can like increase the follow-up sequences whatever you want. So this was the planning stage of this automation, and in the next video we are going to build the actual automation. So subscribe to the channel will be amazing, and you will not miss the next video of this series, and like to the video will help me motivate. So for now, have a nice one. Bye bye.